What you doing, Jack?
Cat.
Oh, there's a cloth down there. Oh no, I don't think you need to do that. Jack, can you say what you were saying before? Okay, get night-night. Because at night, we sit at the window and we say goodnight to everybody, huh? So you're practicing.
Kick it.
That's right. Night-night, kick.
Kick it. Kick it. Kick it.
Very good.